Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. Today we come back with tools. My friends bring me a whole bunch of Hilti jackhammer. So he already disabled for me and try to see what's wrong, and it say spinning but no hammer. So today I'm gonna bring up and see what happened. And my friend tried to get the bearing removed so they can undo the armature from here. This is basically to the Hilti te76. If you want to get the remove, you need to remove the bearing here, and then you can take off this cover before you can take off the armature. So they come in pieces like this, and so quickly have a look and see what the problem. This one, the knocking still good, but I've examined this one is the problem. It's set up. See, this one's super hard, not moving anyway. So we have to see how the motor work like, and before we rebuild the hammer to make it work. And as you see, the gear here a bit sharp, okay, a bit worn out, but hopefully it works good. So what we do is try to check and see what inside and how to take this one up. But I hope I have some tools and repair this one, see how it goes. No hammer and no spinning. That's the problem for this one. This is something and very basic for someone who want to replace the armature. And check inside the gear and the clutch inside. This is built in two separate parts. The clutch between the gearbox and the armature here different. Okay, want everything like something kink and the power cut out, and they want give you any good power, and they don't go through there. Okay, what we do is, so we put this one oil back here and this one right here, so just put it there. Anyway, we need some tools. These tools you can buy anyway on eBay, but you have to open the gap here. This one, see, open straight this one out, put on the vise, make this one a little bit straight out. This is something and very basic for someone. This is something and very basic for someone who want to replace the armature. And check inside the gear and the clutch inside. This is built in two separate parts. The clutch between the gearbox and the armature here different. Okay, want everything like something kink and the power cut out, and they want give you any good power, and they don't go through there. Okay, what we do is, so we put this one oil back here and this one right here, so just put it there. Anyway, we need some tools. These tools you can buy anyway on eBay, but you have to open the gap here. This one, see, open straight this one out, put on the vise, make this one a little bit straight out, turn around like this, and hopefully we can get this one. Yeah, okay, see, they go in perfectly. See, my friend already done, but it's only halfway. Okay, but I think he have no tools, so that's why we need to explore so we can fit our tools. Don't cut too much on this plastic, okay, because it's a European car, mate. It's a very crunchy plastic and it shit itself out. Okay, let's see where we're gonna get it. We need to go here. Yep. Knock it in. Yep. Knock it in like that. Okay, and then squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it more as you can. Squeeze it in. And you see they bolt in like that. You want it super tight, and then the tools you have to go back here, get some bolt that go in here, or little balls. If you got big balls or small balls, up to you. But I only got small balls. My ball is small, mate. Small balls, please. Okay, I got the 8mm balls go in the middle here. Okay, now try to push it down. So you have to take out the fan before you can do the armature. Okay, take out the fan. See, no woman no cries. I am no woman no cry. See, My 8mm bolts working good on this one. Leave it there. Put it in my pocket, please. Okay, this tool's very handy. Okay, it's called the wiper remover. Windscreen wipers. Okay, wipers. Okay, another one, another story. And now I hope it go up. Oh man. It's on the grooves. Just pick it up like that. Okay. And now what we can do is pick up this one. See, no drama. No drama. Okay, we are free on the thing here. Okay, what we do is we may knocking this one out. Okay, knocking out by using the mallet hammer. You see, no junk coming out. So inside here it's got the little gearbox. See, little kinky. Don't hurt this one because this one still work. And here is the little magnets. You will test them. It's got the power. When you put in, the magnet should be kick that one on. But maybe sometimes the inside here is not working because the magnets is not contact together. We may test by a tester, see if they still got any voltage in there, and if it be, it's good. See the gear, the magnets here, they control everything. Okay, and we can put on ohm. Put your voltmeter on ohm, and you can test this one. This one a little bit tricky. Test on ohm, and if you see the ohm reading, see the ohm not reading, that means yes, it's ohm reading. Okay, good. Okay, that means it still work. Okay, now we can test. I believe this magnet is 240 volt magnets, so when they make contact together, the magnets is kick on. Okay, I clean this one and power and power here, kick on here, and that one go in. Yeah, okay. We can hook this one on and see how they go. Okay, we can leave it like that. Leave it like that. Okay, and see if they spin together or not. Okay, go like that. Okay, it not hurt. So like that, not hurt. Oh shit. First thing, we need to see the clutch working or not. Hook them on. You see? Oh, beautiful. See? I hook them on and it's kicking on. See? It's holding very hard. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Okay, now look. See? You hear the sound of the clutch. See? The clutch click and done. Super hard. So when see this end and that end, they grip down like the clutch of the air compressor. See? I can't hold it turn there, but when I release and I free, you see? Free. Okay, good. The clutch working good. Don't have to open up. Okay, go like that. Just firm, man. Just firm. Just firm, okay? Just firm. So the clutch work. Test the current on the ohm. It says 666 ohm. That means it got some power there, baby. The main key, this was set up and it not go in, see? And now I will free them. Okay, I free them. So put grease on, it should be good. And this one as well. Okay, with the barrel that go in here. Okay, that way all the gear control here. This one, the armature motor go in and control here. So make sure it go in, and all I do is put this one in first. The oil for gear E90. Okay, thick gear oil, put in here. No question at all. Yeah, just fill them up until you feel right. That's it. It's very thick oil, thick gear oil. Okay, doesn't matter what brand they are, as long as they are gear oil. Okay, we install this one on by leaving like that, and what we do is we go in like that, and in like that. Yep, and slide them on. Yep, slide them on. Like that. Okay. And you don't want any grease come out or oil come out. Put one by hand. 2. Move it away here. Tie them on, man. Oh man, get my radar guns. Get my radar gun quicker. Get my gun quicker. Okay. Go down. Go. Using this one, pick up the spring and put it on. Oh shit, man! I don't have tools. Where are my pixel? My pixel tool all broken, so I have to use old Chinese technique. You know, old Chinese technique. Okay, this tray is done. Okay, now we turn around because we need the see that hole. But for where we see this one, have to mark it online with this one. See, have to go online with this one. Got to go online with this one. Okay, no question about that. This one, make sure use the loops. Go like that. Okay, go like that. Okay. Okay. And we are trying to see if we can sneak this one, sneak that one, go over here and slide on. That's it. And we put this one on group C. Stay there. So it should be staying there like that. And this sugar should be right in there. Go in there like that. Okay, but we grease them before we put them on. We got one brand banking new O-rings put on. Okay, we put them on, and we see on the barrel, see how they are. Beautiful, beautiful, man. Should be good. So we loop them with grease. Okay, so this is the whole punch of it. So really good. I don't know where my dear friend lose 2 bolts. Have to find in the bucket here. My dear friend lose 2 bolts. I don't know where now the 2 bolts. Wash it first. Okay, we are going to set up this one. Very simple and easy. This one going down first. This one going down. Yes, going down. Yep. Going down. Hopefully you guys can see, because something a bit difficult. So the string go down. Yeah. So what I do is this one. So when they go down, important is this one. See the hole where they go in and out and in and out. Release the locker. If we put them in and no hammer, we have to turn this one upside down. Okay. Be honest, I don't know which way they go because I'm a dumbo. Don't know exactly which way they go. But if we put it this way for example, and if it's not good, we have to turn around because this one they release the air for the knocking. So the piston go down, the knocking go down and release the air to go down and go back up. If it no hammer, turn this one around. Okay, I do any minimi. I do any minimi. I go, okay, go down like that. Okay, I should go down like that because if I go down there, they release the bottles. So I prefer, yes, let's see. I prefer go down here and release the air somewhere there. Yep, because if I go like that, they release the air. Yep, go down. The best way you go this way to go the hole, and the hole like there will release the air for sure. Okay, and spring in like that, and spring in like that. Okay, and should be like that, and this one should be slide down. Should be slide down like this. Should be alright. Okay, it's going down like that. Hopefully it's right. Turn around and let's see how it goes. Okay, now we go with the hammer again. If it's good, call me Simon Tools. If it's shit, call me shit Simon. Beautiful. This one, the hammer, the way it's knocking, it's not heavy, but it's knocking the floor like that. That's what it is, and it should work 100%. Should be working good. My hand, okay. So when you use them, push up and down, and it engage in the gear, and it should work 100%. Good job. Okay, guys, thanks for Simon watching Simon Tools, and this is friends been disabled the whole Hilti te76, and I will put it back and review hammer, and it's working good, ready to go. Thanks for watching Simon Tools. See ya.